My name is Elmer Real, and I would like to talk about what is e-business. E-business, also electronic business, is the conduct of business process on the internet. Electronic business or e-business refers of the use of the web, internet, intranet, extranet, or some combination thereof to conduct business. E-business is similar to e-commerce, but it goes beyond the simple buying and selling of products and services online. E-business process can help companies to operate more effectively and efficiently. This e-business process includes buying and selling products, supplies, and services, servicing customers, processing payments, managing production control, collaborating with business partners, sharing information, running automated employee services, recruiting, and more. In this image we can observe some of the areas covered with e-business, like system, techniques, data, management, integrity, security, access, and others. We also can observe in this image other areas covered with e-business, like computer, commerce, marketing, business, online marketing, e-commerce, ideas, success, and others. The benefits of e-business. Some of them are dropshipping, global trading, competitive pricing, digitized product store. It's important remark that e-business is not e-commerce. Why? Because e-business includes e-marketing, and e-marketing includes e-commerce. So e-commerce is part of e-business. E-commerce is not a synonym of e-business.
To your business work well. So the first is the hosting, the suite, the domain name, the payment and charge method, the server. The hosting is a set of hosting services and by extension IT services tailored to the companies engaged in only sales in their specific needs. So as you can see, you need to store your information in your hosting and connect this on internet to stay 24 hours per day and get the satisfaction of your clients. So the suite is a set of programs that allows companies to which they are assigned to the sales, finance, banking, purchasing, manufacturing, inventory, and customer relation systems. Oracle e-business offers you different applications that helps you to make your business work well. Analytics of your data, how much you save per hour, per month, per minute, the storage of your products information in hard disk or solid state disks, drivers. Obviously you need a database. Oracle offers you this because this is their main business. So in your database it's the most important thing in your business because you are storing or registering all your clients' information. The configurations are all the rules that you want to establish on your web page of your electronic products. So the cloud, obviously you have to be connected to the internet. And the domain name. The domain name is a simple string that defines a realm of administrative autonomy, authority, or control within the internet. Domain names are formed by the rules and procedures of the domain name system, DNS. Any registered in the DNS is a domain name. Domain names are used in various networking contexts and for application-specific naming and other simple purposes. In general, a domain name represents an Internet Protocol IP resource, such as a personal computer used to access the Internet, a server computer hosting a website, or the website itself, or any other service communicated by the Internet. So you have to establish a simple name, because all your clients have to remember this name. So for example, they remember the domain name www.facebook.com. It's obviously you have to get your enter in your clients' minds with your name. The payment methods. There are direct methods of payment with which you can make immediate payment, and other indirect methods which you can use to pay funds into your account and subsequently spend as you make your purchases. So exist different types like credit and debit cards, bitcoins, cash, or the PayPal methods to pay for the contract that you are getting of the server in the cloud. So for example, Amazon Web Services have different payment methods like pay as you go, to pay only the time that you use your server. And the most important thing is the server. In computer, a server is a computer program or a device that provides functionality for other programs or devices called clients. This architecture is called the client-server model, and a single overall computation is distributed across multiple processors or devices. Servers can provide various functionalities, often called services, such as sharing data or resources among multiple clients, or performing computation for a client. A single server can serve multiple clients, and a single client can use multiple servers. So you have to remember that your server has to be up 24 hours per day to get your satisfaction of your client, and this is the most important thing in your e-business, because you have to make transactions all day, and your clients have in your web page has to be works all day to make these transactions work well, to commit your database or your transactions has to be okay. That's all.
Good morning, my name is Miguel. I'm going to talk to you about building an e-commerce website in 7 simple steps. The first one is choosing a domain for your e-commerce website. We can go to freenom.com, which is a website that gives us domains for free for 3 months, and we can find whatever we want, like IT4, and we can buy a domain name which is going to be accessed by the address bar like this, and that's a name server. Step 2 is choosing the right platform. Here we choose a DigitalOcean, which is a service that gives us computers in and other places, and we can access them from the web page. Here we have a computer that is located in the United States, and we can access it here. We can go and access the console of the machine and do things from here, and we can access that machine here. And as we see, we have already a website that is deployed in that machine. The step 3 is designing your website. As we saw in here, we have already products, and we can actually change those. By logging in, and we can add products like here and all that stuff. The step 4 is set up payments. We can go to extensions, here, and we can choose the payment that we want to add to our website, and we can connect with that payment method. The next step is add products. As we see, we can here all add products, and we can edit them. So this is what is going to be on the website in the front page that we saw here. Here we can saw that product. See the product. You can. The next step is checking the payment methods to see that if it is actually working. And, we can see that the order is set up and it is correct, and we can confirm order, and this is how we test the checkout. The last step is look after CRM and ARP. We can here look for statistics to make our website better, and to maybe improve that part, and make our website better. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sharolin, and I talk about the example of e-business, and two most market example of e-business are ERP and CRM. And what is SAP SE? It's one of the largest vendors of enterprise resource planning software and related enterprise applications. The company's ERP systems allow its clients to execute their business process, including accounting, sales, production, human resources, and finance, all in an integrated environment. SAP ERP software is a system called SAP ERP Central Component or SAP ECC. Is the collective terms for SAP functional and technical models that enable enterprises to manage business process through a unified system. ECC is the on-premises version of SAP, and it is usually implemented in medium and large size companies. For smaller companies, SAP offers its business and ERP platform. SAP functional models include human capital management, production planning, materials management, project system, sales and distributions, financial accounting, quality management, and controlling. SAP also cross-application components. Some of the cross-application components are document management, system classification, and product lifecycle management. SAP technical models include basis, information system management, exchange infrastructure, business intelligence, and business warehouse. ERP software is the other example of e-business, and this is customer relationship management. A CRM system allows companies to manage system relationship and the data and information associated with them. With CRM, you can store contact information for customers and prospects, accounts, leads and sales opportunities in a central location. All this in the cloud so that information is accessible in real time. This is an example of ERP is the following software application. This is Universal and was developed by Loyalty Universe. This aims to automate the sales of a business. Well, then to be able to use this application, we must register in case of not having a registered account. Then Start Station, we can see the main page that has a menu which has the following option. There is a sales, bills, articles, back office, configuration and support. We need to create a category that we'll use to classify the product. Fill the data of the categories and then create the articles of product that will contain the category. To avoid the must select the item for sale and select share, then select the type of payment and choose the shares again. The transaction is shown and give us the option to send the bill to the email. And this will be a way to make a sale in the application. Okay, there are examples of e-business. Thank you.